Robles del Mar offers an easy beachside lifestyle right in the heart of Vero's Barrier Island. Residents enjoy amenities like tennis, clubhouse, fitness room, and beautifully maintained grounds that make everyday living feel comfortable and convenient. Located west of A1A and just moments from beach access, dining, and the charm of Central Beach, Robles del Mar offers a wonderful opportunity to enjoy the Vero Beach lifestyle.